Hello, coin collectors and antique lovers. Welcome back to Rare Coins and Lost Antiques. Today, we're exploring this 1948 Algeria 10 francs Turin coin. This coin was minted in 1948 during the French Algeria period. Its design reflects the rich history of the region, with classic inscriptions and intricate details, typical of mid-20th century coins. The reverse side shows the denomination 10 francs along with the mint mark, making it a collectible piece for coin enthusiasts who love historical and rare coins. Coins like this are perfect for anyone who collects rare coins, vintage currency, and lost antiques. Each coin tells a story about the era it came from. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. Stay tuned for more amazing coins and collectibles.